Okay. Finally reached Karnool tollgate. You know what? This is a very big habit for me, going straight because of I have a four-wheeler. Because that was a habit I have. Because you go straight forward because of the fast tag. Sometimes I just forget I'm riding a bike. So I have to make sense and I have to come completely left. Nice car, dude. Right, so officially we are in Andhra Pradesh road. So this is a Karnool road which leads to Anantapur. So we are heading there now. So far so good. We have completed 217 kilometers. Nothing to talk here. The roads are fine. Lot of heavy noise, like wind noise is much into my ears. It hurts a lot, but anyways I can still manage it. I think there is a checking here for for everything. This is officially for the transport department, where every no matter which state it is, you have to stop here and they'll check the vehicle and then you're good to go. Anantapuram 154 and Karnool is still 6 kilometers. I think after Karnool for some stretch the roads are very bad. Yeah. But anyways, it's not raining, I'm happy for that, and there is no sign of rain. Yeah, I'm just telling always about the rain because I'm so scared because of the rain, because the complete journey gets spoiled because of that. Yeah, here sometimes they might be checking my bag and also everything here. Yeah, they'll be checking because of security purpose. I think there is an upcoming river here. I don't know which river is it. Looks like it's full almost. Plenty of water here. Oh, not plenty of water, but a good amount of water here. Alright. I'm seriously worried about when I'm going to just publish this video or make this available for you guys to see, because as soon as I complete this ride I'll be back to home, but still I have to finish my work. I have to work from home, right? So I have to make sure that I get time to edit this as soon as possible and send it away, because if I just keep it for 1-2 weeks, that leads to almost like 2 to 3 months again. Yeah, that happens. By the time you're seeing this, my Gandikota, not Gandikota, the Kondavidu video will be published, so you can watch. I'll just give the link or in the notifications, you can find there. There you can see my Gandikota video there. I took a lot of time to edit it. It's not because about the editor or something, but I don't have time. I have time, but lazy and all that. Yeah.